Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up lock screen shortcut for the Snapchat app. First we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the camera. From here we just have to go into the profile menu, then tap on settings, and here we scroll down and tap on lock screen shortcut, and here we can turn this this function on, which means that the app is going to be accessible from the bottom of the lock screen, and then we can just quickly share snaps just like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.